bright and early. Happy New Year! It is a new year. Happy New Year. It's the 1st. Happy New Year. January 1st. It's so hot, so don't feel like winter. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, just because I really do not feel like wearing makeup today. I wear makeup almost every day to work. I need to let my face breathe, but I want to show you how simple I do my liquid eyeliner tips and tricks. I'm going to go ahead and show you two different colors, which this one I absolutely love. It has never done me any wrong. Every time I try a liquid eyeliner, I always go back to the Man Eater Tarte one. And then I just recently purchased the NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner. Super felt tip, like you're gonna make all your dreams come true. Super easy to use. This tip is actually really weird and hard to do. It takes me a while. Start right in the middle. Then I brush outward. Boom, one line done. Boom, other line completed. Then I just fix it, make sure it looks nice and straight. Perfect. Just go to the very end. Boom. And now it's time to wing it out. So the way I go for my wing is I look at the end of the eye and I look at the end of the eyebrows. You don't want the wing to go past it, and you don't want the wing to be too forward on it, because it'll look perfectly symmetrical when you... And I take the tip of it, I just flick it. Just like that. You flick it out because you want that tip to kind of make it boop. So that's when you're playing a connecting game at this point. You just go back in, color it, then you go and you color it up. Because you're making that wing nice and sharp. Oh, I just messed up. There we go. Fix it if you mess up. Boom. How pretty is that? Boom. Now I'm gonna look funny because we're gonna do purple on the other eye. I've done it maybe 3 times, but this one, because I'm so used to the Man Eater, like it's a perfect felt tip. What kind of tip is this? If you guys know, felt tip just like Man Eater, perfect, that's in this kind of shade, lavender blue, let me know. And I'll try it out, because I've tried out so many blues and I just hated all of them. They were too patchy. Help a homegirl out, because I do not like this kind of one. No. Yep, I officially hate this. The freaking tip. I hate it. But I love the color, so that's why I keep it. One that is super thick, precise, beautiful. And then the other one that's like, it tried. It's like, it's so patchy in this wingy area. And then the flick is like really not even. It's hard to tell since it's such a lighter color anyways. It looks good. But at the end of the day, I love this side. I love Man Eater. I wish they would come out with colors. If they have colors, I have no clue. I never looked into it. Let me know if they maybe have it on their website. Oh, that's it. That's literally how I do my eyeliner. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. I hope it was super easy and you'll try it out at home. Trust me, if it's your first time doing it, it's hard. It's like, what the hairballs am I doing? I used to do it with tape and everything. I hope you learned something. If you got any questions, comment down below. Video requests, comment down below. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell a friend to subscribe. Become a part of Yaya fam. Share this video with others. And hit that bell so that way we can hit 500 subscribers already. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.